Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by raising brightness now. Swipe down or up to open Control Center and drag the slider up for an immediate boost. Once done, make sure low power mode is off in Settings Battery because it limits peak brightness. Next, go to Settings Display and Brightness to confirm True Tone and Night Shift states. These change warmth and perceived brightness. You want a neutral display and full power before deeper tweaks, so follow these steps in order. Now you adjust system behaviors that change brightness automatically. First, disable True Tone and Night Shift in Settings, Display, and Brightness. That prevents the screen from looking warmer and dimmer. Then, go to Settings, Accessibility Display, and Text Size and turn off Auto Brightness so the sensor stops reducing light. You can manually control it afterward. Also check Attention, Aware Features, and Reduce White Point. Disabling them removes automatic dimming and softening, which increases perceived brightness while keeping colors accurate. Finish by ruling out software or hardware glitches. Restart your iPhone and install any pending iOS updates because software patches can restore proper sensor behavior. Make sure the ambient light sensor is clear. Wipe the front glass and remove cases that block light. If everything is set correctly but the screen still appears dim, reset all settings as a final software step. If that fails, contact Apple or an authorized technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.